Okay, it is time to solve this adjustable rate mortgage problem. Now this is describing a 5-in-1 arm or a 5-in-something arm. And so for problem number 1, our goal is going to be to find just our regular 30-year monthly payment. So N is going to be 30 years. Our adjustable rate is going to be 5.5%. We're going to have $150,000 borrowed. We're going to find the payment, and the future value is 0. Now, any adjustable rate mortgage is going to be a regular amortization loan. That means that the future value is going to be 0. That's all that means. So when we find our monthly payment, we're doing so understanding that. So I'm going to do 30-second NN 5.5 I/Y $150,000, make it negative for payment 0, future value, compute the payment, and the payment is going to be $851.68. If you need to take a second and pause, go ahead and do so right now, but I'm going to move right on. Now, for question 2, how much will we owe after 5 years? Simple. None of this stuff is changing. The only thing that's changing is the amount of time. So we change N to 5 years, and we compute our future value. And when we do that, 5-second N, compute future value, 138,690.01. Number 3 then is asking what will our new payment be. So now we're starting with a new loan scenario, and it's important to understand that a recast here, which is what we're looking at, essentially means new loan. How many years are left? 25 years are left. 30 minus 5. What is our new interest rate? It's recast at a 6.5% rate. Our present value now, what we owe is $138,690.01. We owe this amount because we've been paying on this loan for 5 years. So we no longer owe $150,000. That's why we calculated this amount. This is what we owe moving forward. Again, whenever you recast, it's 2 regular amortization. So I'm going to punch in these numbers. Your number here could be a little bit off from mine, and that would be understandable depending on whether or not you actually punched in your present value or whether you just used what was already in the calculator. But I am getting $936.45. Again, as long as you're close to that, you are good to go.